Technology has become an important part of our lives. It helps us in many ways, such as making communication faster, improving healthcare, and making learning easier. For example, we can now talk to people in other countries within seconds using mobile phones or the internet. Doctors use advanced machines to treat diseases, and students can find information quickly online. However, technology also has some bad effects. Many people, especially children, spend too much time using mobile phones and computers. This can lead to health problems like weak eyes, lack of exercise, and poor sleep. Social media can also cause stress and make people feel lonely or unhappy. In addition, machines and robots are replacing workers in many industries, which can cause job loss. People also become too dependent on technology and forget to think or solve problems by themselves. In conclusion, technology is both a blessing and a curse. It can make our lives better and easier, but only if we use it wisely. We should enjoy its benefits while being careful about its dangers. Balance is the key to making technology a true blessing in our lives.